Colors in Africa is a manufacturing and retailing company which began about 18 years ago, though it has only about 9 years in its major manufacturing operations. The company produces and retails home and hotel furniture ranges as well as home accessories and gift items. Most of these items are produced locally in the company's factory in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria, with the rest being imported from across Africa and beyond.
We interpret client brief. Client brief at times can be in various forms. It could be of home design or furnishing, hotel and offices. We try and prepare a presentation drawing based on the client brief. At times there might be a need for us to revisit the client's site so that we'll be able to get the accurate measurement and the dimension of the spaces. Then we prepare a drawing based on the client's requirement. Then after the preparation of the drawing, we try and meet again with the client, present the drawing in such a way that it will conform with the client's requirement before we forward the drawing to production. At times there might be a need for us to prepare a customized catalog like the one we have here, to prepare a customized catalog for the production so that every drawing, every item to be produced in the factory conforms with the client's requirements and goes through a proper design process.
I beg, let us get down into another on-the-ground spiritual game. I beg.
The services the company offers include the execution of projects such as furnishing of corporate, commercial apartments, private residences, hotels and restaurants. 60% of the items the company produces and sells Afro-contemporary handcraft design content, while the rest are just contemporary or classic designs.
The colors in Africa is versatile. You have aluminium, you have antique, you have things that are not just common outside, things that you cannot get elsewhere. You can find them within Colors in Africa, and that makes it quite unique and interesting.
Our company in this area has been a proud originator of unique product designs over the years.
For Liberia, then name Council.
For over 10 years, the business concern has been on how to constantly serve the need of our existing as well as prospective clients better, while continuously watching the market trend. This has been a selling mark for the company and has helped constantly to take us to the next level.
The factory as it is properly laid out, from the materials coming in from this end for preparations, and this is one of the planing machines known as surface planer, where you surface a particular wood and bring it to the required flatness before you transfer it to the planing and to the cutting. And so the factory runs and enables people to walk through the factory. In between the factory, one of the very important machines and one of the modern ones that we have had so far is the panel saw. The saw, I do call it precision table. It enables one to cut any particular either man-made board, MDF, MFC or plywood to the required size, and you can cut along or across on the panel saw. So it's a precision table. It gives you the exact measurement. And after, if you are using MFC, after the cutting, you transfer for the edge binding. The edge binding enables you to take care of the edges of the board that you have cut to the required sizes, and it's just to smoothen the edge, and it goes out there from there for assembly. And that is basically what's obtainable here in this particular area.
We have always been on the lookout for new technology to help diversify and improve on our products and services.
Every day it's like something new is coming in, and as a young person that gets you happy and gets you going in life. And personally, because of my background, it gives me a level of joy when I see new things coming out, product being coming out, and they are looking quite okay. Customers are happy. It gives me a level of joy, and basically, I'm just happy. I'm glad.
Our factory in Ibadan has staff strength of about 160 persons working in our weaving, welding, upholstery, carpentry, wood, carving, spraying, and administrative departments. These include 20 persons with special needs who are mute, working in our weaving department, thereby giving them a creative voice and putting them in their rightful place in the society. We have executed projects such as the furnishing of offices, hotels, guest houses, and private and corporate residences. Some of the major past projects include Orchid Hotel, Asaba, Yankari Game Reserve, Chalets, Eagle Court Apartments, Ikoyi, Slumbaja Residential Apartments, supply of furniture and furnishing at Lakampine Tropicana, Salamander Cafe, Abuja, decoration of Eco Suites, lobbies, and the Sky Restaurant Eco Hotel, and some other office spaces.
I beg, let us get down into another on-the-ground spiritual game. I beg. After my paso, you go they help me end down with when, because them go here when, yeah. Paso. Oh!
Colors in Africa Limited. Affordable luxury furniture.